The process of getting the solar was very, very easy. I mean, it was so easy, I was surprised. All it was just my signature, and that was it. They came down, they did all the work. I was surprised that I'm really not putting down money for all of this. But the one thing that really caught our eye was the backup battery. My wife and I were sitting in the living room, we were watching TV, and this was about 8 o'clock at night, so it was dark, and all of a sudden, the lights go off. Everything went off. When it did go out, we were kind of worried, like, oh, what's going to happen? And then it went on, and I said, well, okay, it must have been back on. So then I get a text from my neighbor. He said, hey, how come you guys have lights if we don't? So we looked outside, and sure enough, the whole block, our block, the next block over, the next block behind us, there was no lights. It was like, wow, why is that? And then I realized that we had a backup battery. I said, oh, that's the reason why. So we sat back and started watching TV and enjoying our backup battery. But we knew that it was going to last throughout the night, and we knew that the refrigerator was going to be fine. So we just went to bed and just, without any worry about having rotten, spoiled food the next morning. And that's how it felt really comfortable. Times are changing nowadays, and it's not just a matter of, well, it's the individual's, survival of the fittest kind of thing. We're all part of this world, and it has been proven that a lot of these changes, a lot of these disasters that are happening is because of global warming. So if we contribute to that, we need to fix that. We don't have to be millionaires and contribute tons of money about it, but if we can do our part, that at least it's something.